In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails in Zoho Mail. Whether you accidentally deleted an important message or just want to retrieve something from your trash folder, this quick guide will show you the way to get those emails back in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you've got that open, type Zoho Mail into your search bar. You'll want to click on the official Zoho Mail website link, which will take you directly to where you need to log in. Now, signing into Zoho Mail is straightforward. Simply enter your username and password, the ones you used when you first set up your Zoho account. If, for some reason, you've forgotten your login details, look for the Forgot Password link on the page, which will guide you through recovering your information. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be in your Zoho Mail dashboard. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a variety of folders, including one marked as trash. This is where emails go when they are deleted, but not permanently removed, so you'll want to click on that trash folder to open it. Inside your trash folder, you'll see a list of all the emails that were deleted within your account. Now, your job is to find the specific email you want to recover. If you remember anything about the email, maybe the subject line, sender, or even a keyword contained within it, you can use the search bar within the folder to help locate the email more quickly. Simply type in what you remember and let the search function do its magic. After you've located the email you're looking for, here's what you'll do next. Right-click on that particular email. Doing so will bring up a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Move To. This option allows you to move the email back to your inbox, or if you prefer, into any other folder you might have set up, so don't hesitate to choose the destination that best suits your organizational needs. Congratulations, you've successfully recovered and relocated your email. A quick tip: if the emails remain in the trash folder longer than the specified time set by Zoho, they might be permanently deleted, so it's wise to check your trash regularly for anything important you might have accidentally deleted. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you found this video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your digital tools. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.